Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make my buffalo chicken wings. So come on and let's get started. All right, friends, quick tip when you are doing your chicken wings, make sure they are completely dry when you go ahead and put them in your air fryer. They just fry up a lot better if there is no moisture on these chicken wings. All right, friends, so to get started with our chicken wings, all you need is some chicken wings. These are actually chickens that I raised, and then you need your air fryer. To this, I'm gonna go ahead and season it with some seasoning salt. And working in batches, I'm gonna go ahead and place our chicken into the air fryer. What's your favorite, guys? Do you like the drum or the wing? This one's my favorite. Hubby doesn't care, so he'll always eat these ones for me and leave me the other ones, which I much appreciate. By leaving it like this and just putting your seasoned salt on it, this allows you to have a variety of different flavors when it comes to your wings. All right, we got one layer. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the air fryer. I'm gonna put it all the way up to 400 degrees for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will flip them and then put them back in for the remainder of the 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and cover these up. This will be on the next batch. You can see how brown they're getting. We're gonna go ahead and flip them. All right, back they go for another 10 minutes. All right, friends, batch number 1 is done. Look at how crispy these are. And I'm just gonna transfer them to a bowl so I can get my next batch going, and then we will season these up with our sauce of choice. All right, friends, so we are all done. We got the last of the chicken wings. I'll go ahead and put them in my dish here. Now, the nice thing about doing it this way is you can now add any sauce that you want. You can put these out here just like this and have different sauces available for everybody to try. You can have barbecue, you can have it just like this, but we love our hot sauce. I actually made a wing sauce out of cayenne peppers, and it was delicious. I'll put a link up here of my sauce that I made. But we're just gonna go ahead and pour this over. Put the lid on and give it a shake. And now they are perfectly coated. All right, friends, so now that these are done, let's go ahead and give these a try. Look at how perfect these came out. These are my absolute favorite. And it's so much better when you make them at home versus buying them at the store or getting them from a restaurant. So much better. I'm a fan of the crispy, so these are definitely crispy. When I get them at the restaurant, they're soft and soggy. These are nice and crisp. You got to give these a try, friends. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and families. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.